But my point is where we have a minor economy, it is no longer about the NDC or about the NPP. It is about the collective survival of all of us. Wa wutie me, wa wo hwe me. Eye wu ye yo wo dache ne wo madache. O mampenye Kufuado eni Bawumia o masey o man no. Enu nti na ye ni magu ase a ye ntimi kwankwa amansen dwa so nkobo bosia. Free say President Kufuado de ko Eurobond market me ekoje bosia 750 million euros in 2008. O mampenye bia ba wotumi de o man ne kokoje bosia. Ene ya to ye punu mu ho. Because economy no adane baller economy. Enu nti the abe NDC mu a ansakra na meba betena ebi mu keka no kwadwo mamo man eno no nhye mumu bi yaw na mo fan cancer. The alternative is only one. The hope. Anything na Congress na ye no. The theme is one. You say rallying for victory 2024. Ghana's hope. The only hope the people of this country have is the National Democratic Congress and John Dramani Mahama. Because the John Dramani Mahama tewa Captain Smart be na dwuma enkoso yi a obebo ye chi. And so Mahama hia na obesra chia nisem afam no because he's a Democrat on my national security and a police for entry Captain Smart ni nuanom central for aboso they said ye kabi mamika bi aben yo mampenye Kufuado ne na be de chiri Bawumia ye betete nyema so magana for one he ha omo o man na o mas baby o mas say na du oh kojo ya ye bida when the economy was destroyed. Hold on. Na me na say buy net dokono so. Because I better tell you maso am chire say economic management team no. E hye nyeme ye. Na ye de sika investments papa wura kua yo mu a aduane bebu. Aduane bu a enye the idea slogan to are not planting for food and jobs. Now Greek minister say board there boa ba from so be kodwum na board there boa cost times 5 no. Yetumi ye a Greek ni ye te say the Ewura Mahama fiti ase a Greek mechanization center si ode ba ye ni fidi ode ba ye ni ye ni ye enye sloganeering. Ye ni ye in action aduane bu a aburo bo beba form. Dokono no ne bo beba form.